In this video, we will learn how to write your CSS internally or inside of the HTML file using the style element. So the style tag. Inline styles are a fast way of styling HTML, but they also have limitations. If you wanted to style, for example, multiple H1 elements, you have to add inline styling to each element manually. In addition, you would also have to maintain the HTML code when additional H1 elements are added. Fortunately, HTML allows you to write CSS code in its own dedicated section with the style element. CSS can be written between opening and closing style tags. To use the style element, it must be placed inside of the head element, and this is the example code. So you place the style element inside of the head element. After adding a style tag in the head section, you can begin writing CSS code like this, just like you would write the code in external CSS file. In the same way, you should write your CSS between the style tags or internally inside of the HTML file. The CSS code in the example above changed the color of all paragraph text to red and also changed the size of the text to 20 pixels. See? Property color with the value of red and font size property with the value of 20 pixels. And note how the syntax of the CSS code matches for the most part the syntax you used for inline styling. The main difference is that you can specify which elements to apply the styling to. Again, the details of the CSS syntax in the example above aren't important at the moment. You will learn more about the details of CSS syntax in later lessons. Okay, let's see the instructions. First, add a style element in the head of index.html. So right here, let's add the style element. Then make sure to delete the inline styles that you added to the paragraph. Let's find those inline styles and let's delete them. And now let's save our code. Okay, add the inline styles that you removed from the P element to the style element in the head. Okay, I forgot what styles we had on the P. Let's see. We had font family set to Arial. And let's select all the P tags, and now let's set the font size, font family property to Arial. And now let's delete these inline styles and let's save our code. Once again, we have the paragraph element with the different font family, but now we have those styles written inside the style HTML element in the head section. Okay, let's proceed to the next exercise.